they've actually done research now where they've taken crystals, quartz crystals, and cut them and left half out of the array, half in the array, and that it actually is changing the molecular structure in a physical sense, and that people have identified a perception of it changing the quality, the therapeutic quality of the stone.
We took these crystals, they gave me 4 quartz crystals, each which had been broken in half, and told me that one half had been put into the Moonlight collector, the other half had not. I received them with a little tag on them. I didn't know what was what, and I just ran them on the machine, and I saw immediately different results. Okay, this here is a Raman spectrometer. A laser is generated in here, comes through this route, down this tube into the microscope, comes down and hits your sample. So I'll put a sample like this, I'll put it inside the machine. Focus. Close the doors so it's dark. Sit down and I tell the computer to collect sample. Click. And these modes sitting here and here and here, those represent certain sets of atoms vibrating in certain ways, producing their own light. Meanwhile, there's this whole background here of light that is given off by the crystal. And in particular, we can look at this background noise here. And what happened in the measurement of these crystals here is that samples that were not exposed to your collector had high backgrounds, and those that had been through your collector, the background had disappeared. That meant the samples that had not been exposed glowed in response to the laser light, with more than just these vibrational modes, but just the general background glowing. Whereas once they'd been through the Moonlight collector, then their backgrounds had disappeared and gave a very clean spectrum. In general, that's sort of behavior associated with becoming defect-free.